Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great, and today we are making these cream buns. And nobody can resist these buns, and they do not last a day. Everybody loves them, and you really enjoy making these buns. And so let's just get started. Let's just jump right into it. I'm preparing the pastry cream filling first, and for that I'm separating the yolks from the egg whites. And as you can see, I'm not really good at this job, so it takes me a while. And if you're like me who struggles at this, then take notes. This is how you do it. While I'm doing this, why don't you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you tried this. Next, I'll add the sugar into my yolks and mix till it becomes pale yellow. And we don't need the egg whites, so I'm gonna keep this aside for now. Maybe I'll use this for my Italian meringue buttercream or Swiss meringue buttercream. You never know. Okay guys, so one disclaimer. Since this is a egg-based filling, this is an egg-based custard, I want you people to use fresh eggs for this. Fresh eggs. If you're gonna use week-old eggs from your fridge, then believe me, this is gonna taste like shit, I swear. Next, I'm going to add my cake flour into this and mix it well. And you can use cornstarch, of course, as a thickening agent, but that's totally up to you. But I don't like the aftertaste of corn flour, so I'm gonna stick to my good old cake flour. Now in a saucepan, I will heat milk and butter at a medium flame. It shouldn't be piping hot, but just enough to melt the butter. Now I'll add the warm milk to temper the egg mixture, and this is an important step. Keep whisking your yolks while pouring a little amount of milk into it, and this step helps you to prevent your eggs from scrambling and you're left with a smooth mixture. Okay, now so add the egg yolk mixture to remaining milk and cook till it starts to thicken up, and this is going to happen really fast, so keep an eye on it and keep on mixing. I'll transfer this custard cream filling to another bowl, and I forgot to add the vanilla extract, so I'll add it now. I'll keep this in the fridge and you'll see it will thicken up even more after that. I'll prepare the bread now. I'll make it well with my fingers, add the wet ingredients a bit at a time to make sure I don't create a mess. I've already mixed sugar and salt, and I'll make some space for the yeast too. And remember, your milk should be lukewarm. If it's too hot, it'll kill the yeast, and if it's too cold, it won't activate. Now, I'm being a bit extra here, but you don't have to do this. You can use a bowl for this, and if you can use your kitchen aid for this, even better. By all means, go ahead. Okay, now so let's do a quick window pane test, and it's not ready yet. It tore apart too easily. It should be elastic, so it needs a bit more kneading. I always add butter at the end of this process. Now, this is a really debatable topic if you should add the butter at the beginning with the wet ingredients, or you should do this at the end when the dough has formed. It's a huge debate, and I'll save this for another video. Okay, so now let's do a quick window pane test again, because I've been kneading this dough for a further 15 minutes and I think it should be ready by now. You can tell when it's ready when you can easily stretch the dough without tearing it apart. You can see some light passing through it. It means it's ready. I'll put my dough into a grease bowl and put it at a warm place. It's really hot here, so the dough didn't take long to rise. It just took 40 minutes. The dough has risen beautifully, and I have seen a lot of people poke their finger like this in their risen dough. If you know the reason why, just let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so this dough makes 7 pieces of buns, and I will cut and measure the dough precisely, and each bun should weigh around 60 grams. After this, I will let the buns sit on my counter for a further 5 minutes to let them rise again. After they have risen, I will start rolling out each ball and add the custard cream with a spoon. And then pinch both the sides to seal the filling and let the buns to rise again for 5 minutes more. Now you generously coat the bun with egg wash. It gives that beautiful brown color to it. I'm going to make the remaining buns on the stove top. I will keep the heat at the lowest flame and I will flip each side till it's brown. And that's pretty much it. Okay you guys, so this is an optional step, but it gives a beautiful shine to the buns and you'll see what I mean in a minute. It's really simple, just equal parts of sugar and water and some lemon juice, and just heat it till the sugar is dissolved. Now coat your buns with that sugar syrup and your buns are ready. Eat them hot and you'll enjoy them seriously. And would you look at that shine I was talking about? I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you later in another video. Bye.